Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to this month's review of China's Carbon Trading Market Program. This is International School of Low Carbon Studies in Shandong University of Finance and Economics. I'm Zhang Mingbing, the host of this program. Let's take a look at this month's carbon market trend. During the month, the price of carbon quotas in the Chinese carbon market experienced upward fluctuations, eventually reaching 58.5 yuan per ton, which marks a cumulative increase of 6.36%. The trading volume of carbon quotas saw a significant increase compared to the previous month, reaching 1.232 million tons. As of May 31, 2023, the Chinese carbon market has completed 454 trading days, with a cumulative trading volume of approximately 235 million tons. The total turnover amounted to 10.79 billion yuan, with an average trading price of 45.83 yuan. However, in the current month, the average trading price rose to 56.42 yuan, representing a 7.1% increase from the previous month. Meanwhile, the trading volume surged by 17% month-on-month, reaching 1.232 million tons. Analyzing the monthly trend in carbon price, it can be observed that the price of carbon quotas started at 55.5 yuan per ton and progressively rose. During this period, it remained stable at 56 yuan per ton for 6 consecutive trading days, and then maintained stability at 57 yuan per ton for 5 consecutive trading days. Finally, it surpassed the price pressure level of 58 yuan per ton and closed at 58.5 yuan per ton, as depicted in Figure 1. This shows that the bullish forces dominate the market in the month, with enterprises displaying increasingly optimistic price expectations. Based on the change trend of monthly carbon prices, particularly the average trading price, it can be observed that the average trading price of carbon quotas exhibited a U-trend from January to May 2023. Notably, the average carbon trading price in May reached the peak of the year. This shows that the actual trading behavior of the enterprises aligns with their optimistic expectations regarding the future trajectory of carbon price. Therefore, the conclusions drawn above are strong and reliable. Based on the changes in carbon trading volume throughout the months, the cumulative trading volume in the current month slightly surpassed that of the previous month, reaching 1.232 million tons, as shown in Figure 2. Notably, bulk agreement trading accounted for 1.025 million tons of carbon trading. It is worth noting that the market still exhibits stage trading characteristics, with high volumes concentrated on specific trading days, such as May 17th and May 18th. Examining the total monthly trading volume of carbon quotas and the volume achieved through different trading methods, it becomes evident that the market has continuously exceeded 1 million tons for the past 4 months, indicating a robust market condition. Moreover, in May, there was an increase in the proportion of carbon trading volume facilitated by listing agreement. This increase serves as further evidence of more enterprises entering the market, reinforcing the previous conclusion. With the exception of the Beijing carbon markets, all other carbon markets have seen varying degrees of increase in their comprehensive evaluation scores compared to the previous month. The national and the Fujian carbon markets experienced the largest increase, rising from 0.369 and 0.412 to 0.491 and 0.544 respectively. The Tianjin carbon market continues to maintain a high score of 0.512. In terms of market size, most carbon markets witnessed simultaneous growth in transaction and trading volumes in May. The Guangdong carbon market achieved the highest transaction volume, reaching 74.88 million yuan, Although the trading volume of the Fujian carbon market decreased by about 40%, it still maintained the highest trading volume, reaching 1.28 million tons. The market scale scores for the Guangdong and the Fujian carbon market were 0.959 and 0.822 respectively. From a market structure perspective, the Fujian and Shanghai carbon markets exhibited higher proportion of trading volume compared to other carbon markets, reaching 12.20% and 10.40% respectively. Their market structure scores were 0.458 and 0.437 respectively. In terms of market value, the average transaction price in the Beijing carbon market significantly increased compared to the previous month, reaching 136.86 yuan per ton. The average transaction price in the Guangdong carbon market remained relatively stable at 81.94 yuan per ton. The market value scores for the Beijing and the Guangdong carbon market were 0.990 and 0.815 respectively. Regarding market activity, the turnover rate in the Shenzhen carbon market was high. The concentration ratio of carbon market transactions in the Shanghai, Hubei, and Chongqing carbon market was relatively low. The proportion of effective trading days in the Guangdong and the Hubei carbon market had reached 100%. As the result, the market activity scores for the Tianjin, Guangdong, Shanghai, Hubei, Shenzhen, Fujian, and Chongqing carbon market were relatively high. From a market volatility perspective, the carbon price in the national, Tianjin, and the Hubei carbon markets were relatively stable. The trading volume in the Shanghai carbon market was relatively scattered, with the lowest trading concentration ratio. Therefore, the market's volatility scores for the national, Tianjin, Shanghai, and the Hubei carbon markets were higher than other carbon markets, with scores of 0.876, 0.903, 0.827, and 0.957 respectively. Well, that's all for this month. Thanks for watching and see you next time.